A new state tax law claims it will save Ohioans millions of dollars a year. Good evening, I'm Laura Emerson. It is the first time Ohio's income tax tables will be adjusted for inflation. Fox Toledo's Christy Lee is live to make sense of how it will affect your dollars.
Tax brackets will be adjusted by 0.9%, which Ohio Department of Taxation says will translate into about $25 million of savings. But the tax professional I spoke with says it sounds better than it is.
It's very misleading because the tax rates aren't actually changing. The tax rates in Ohio are staying the same. It's just the amounts that you make are changing, so you can actually make a little bit more this year to pay a little less in taxes next year.
Daniel Jones of H&R Block says many will be unaffected by the new tax law. Only those on the border of a tax bracket range will see any savings. Basically, the tax brackets are shifting slightly. Instead of a tax bracket ceiling being set at $40,000, it's now at $40,350. So if your income lands between those two numbers, say $40,300, you'll see a savings of about $250. The savings is higher the more you make. The bracket shift for someone making nearly $101 grand could save the taxpayer about $800. Now, someone within the tax table ranges, let's say making about $30,000 annually, they'll stay in the same bracket, so no change, therefore no savings.
The tax rates is actually where they're going to get us. If they were to cut the tax rates for every individual, you'd have a better tax savings across the board than if you would just the inflation amounts.
Under the new state tax law, the Ohio Department of Taxation will have to look at inflation and adjust rates accordingly each July, much like the federal government already does. Reporting live, Christy Lee, Fox Toledo News.